figured I'd show you what the weather conditions are doing here in Soldotna, Alaska. See the snow's blowing down the road. Got a nice tailwind, so maintaining 55 is no problem for a change. Anyhow, headed to the beach. I'm gonna do a little video editing and kind of relax and camp out there tonight. Weather out this storm. A little bit of an update. It's no longer a tailwind. I turned and now I'm beating a headwind slash side wind. A little more interesting as the van likes to dodge around. You can hear the gusts. Apparently I need new door seals as well. Waiting for one of the big wind gusts to show you guys the snow blowing across the road. Beach. As you can see, the wind's blowing pretty good. So I get a better view out the windshield. Kind of shows the snow blowing along the beach. Yep, it's windy. That was somebody walking down the beach for a second. I was gonna say, dang, hardcore. Anyhow, this is where I'm gonna camp out tonight. We'll get camp set up and kick back and do some video editing. Enjoy the weather. Yeah, it's gonna be a little breezy tonight, I think. Figured I'd come outside and see if I could kind of show you what it's all about here. It's definitely blowing. That snow doesn't feel real good when it's blowing across you. Yeah, that's got our marked nose in the wind. Camping out here at the beach. It's been the tide's low. Waves keep breaking right up here on the beach with us. Yeah, that wraps up about the editing for the night. I'm gonna call it a night and get some sleep. Looks like it's about 10:45 p.m. It's still blowing out there pretty good. It's snowing, so I'm gonna go to sleep and I'll wake up in the morning. We'll see what's going on in the morning. All right. Good morning. Winds look like they finally quit blowing. It's not very cool, actually, surprisingly. I'm all covered up in my big old sleeping bag. Oh, that window's all fogged up. Anyhow, let me get up and around here and I'll show you what's going on. Well, there's the bed. See, it's a big old heavy duty
0-degree sleeping bag, so definitely didn't get cold. Nothing better than waking up at the beach. Oh, let me go outside. The windows are still foggy. Yeah, the wind blew itself out. It's pretty warm actually. It's like 24 degrees, so, or 24 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the mouth of the Kasilof River. Surprisingly, not much snow on the van. Kind of mix between ice and snow right now. Anyhow, I'm gonna get out of here. I got things to do in town. I figured I would at least show you guys waking up on the beach. It's nice and quiet. It's really foggy out on the inlet. Well, it's time to go. Surprised to see any snow here this morning the way it blew last night. Oh, that's a big snow drift. Probably should turn on my headlights. Yeah, a little bit of snow drifting. Not too bad. Alrighty, well, I'm headed back into town. I gotta go get some wiring done so I can hook up my battery management system and my Battleborn heated batteries so I can install my diesel heater and have actual heat during the night, which will be a nice change. Roads look pretty good. It's actually 27 degrees now, so it warmed up substantially. It was 12 yesterday when I started filming before the wind chill, and that was brutal. Anyhow, hope you liked the adventure. There's a lot more winter camping coming. As soon as I get a heater, it'll be a lot more enjoyable, I'm sure. We'll do some cooking and some other things. There'll be a lot of upgrades that you're going to start seeing on the van too. But hopefully you enjoyed. Please like, share, and subscribe so we can get this channel to grow a little bit and we can go on more adventures together. Alright, take care out there.